All right, guys, we're doing some upholstery. We got this sectional to do, and we have one upstairs as well. And take care of this area here, and of course some steps. They had some pet issues, so we're going to identify the pet treatment. We're going to do all this area here with the emulsifier, digester, enzyme treatment, and then we're going to do these stairs as well as the sectional upstairs. They are excited. We're going to clean it, and we're going to reprotect it with Scotch Guard to keep it hygienic and cleaner longer. And they're excited. So you say just regular wear and tear. You got a couple issues right here, typical soil right there, and a little bit of staining right there. So we're gonna get it clean. We're not gonna do the decking, okay. And these are all removable, so we're gonna do that for them. See that there, and then we're gonna do the upstairs as well, and then all as well. So stay tuned, guys. If you haven't done so already, give us a follow. Not too bad out there. Looks like it's trying to rain. If you guys can see, not too bad. But let me show you guys something. So I did show Marcy already. So we did identify some areas of concerns. You can see right there. So we're going to treat that, emulsify that, and get it back to original state. And she's excited. She did try her own method, some kind of over-the-counter stuff. It does the top surface, guys, but it doesn't get the bottom. So that has to be treated and digested to remove it. So a little bit right there, a little bit right there. She understood that, so it's still going to stink. So any of the over-the-counter products, guys, it's not going to work. You can try it. It may camouflage a little bit, but it's still there. Unless you hire a company like us to come out and treat it. A little bit right there as well. See that? So we don't guess, we test. Treat it accordingly. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna give you a little sneak peek behind the scenes. What do you guys think of that? So, we already have our chemistry mixed up. As you can just see, show you how the AO proprietary products work. We're gonna treat that, basically recreate the accident. See that right there? We're gonna treat it, get that digester to work. Goes to work right away. We'll treat that and let it eat it, and then we'll see where's the other corporate at. Right there. So basically, we're gonna let that dwell, kind of press it in with our foot, recreate the accident, and that's already going to work, guys. So start eating that up, and so we can turn that paste back into liquid, so we can extract it through the carpeting, the pad. Oh yeah, but right there, see that guy? See that? Bye-bye. Hey, yo, let's go. Look at this, guys. See the light on it? Don't even see it no more. See that? That's because our process works. We can save your floors. We can save your carpeting from replacement. Make it hygienic again. All right, guys, little tip of the day. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, a little update. I just got done pre-treating and agitating. But let me show you the power of chemistry, guys. Remember all those urine spots I showed you right over here, and one over here, and over here? So, check it out. See that? It's all gone. Proof's in the pudding, guys. AO is the way to go. You need the service, reach out. We can save your carpeting. If you have fur babies that had an accident, don't worry, don't fret. Give us a call. We got you covered. Another happy client. Wow. All right. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're sanitizing it, extracting it out, making it residue-free. Beautiful. Boom. Looks good. Wow. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let me show you what we're doing. So we got this sectional here we're doing. These are attached, but these are not. So we're going to do this sectional here. I'm also going to tell her about the countertops. We do clean and polish granite countertops. Should be excited for that. I'm going to tell her about that at service as well. Of course, hardwood, I recommend clean and buff. But we're doing this right here. Got everything set up over there. This set of stairs, which you already cleaned. And of course, this sectional here, which we are doing now, we already cleaned this, as you saw in the video. We got some urine, we treated that, cleaned it, made hygienic. And then when we get done doing the upholstery, we're gonna protect it with Scotch Guard. That's what we're doing. Got the table set up. Hey, yo, let's go. Stay tuned. Got to really careful to get these cords here so we can spin the soil load. The important thing in this, guys, is make sure you do a dry vacuum. Before we come out, we also do our own with our upholstery tool, and that will help penetrate the fibers on the soil from a surfactant standpoint and get this loosened up and back to original state. You can already see that one spot that's right here is already suspended. That is the power of chemistry. We're going to massage it with a hairbrush. Let that dwell a little bit. And then we'll extract it, neutralize it. Nice. All right, guys, if you need some furniture cleaned, upholstery, fine fabric, give us a call. We got you covered. AOcleaning.com. You guys see we're doing some dry passes, extracting the soil load, as you can see. Look at that, guys. A lot of times we live on our furniture, and it's a good idea to get it cleaned once a year, guys. And protected every other year, like I was telling Marcy. And vacuum regularly. Make sure you change up your upholstery cushions. Clean up any spills accordingly. And your furniture will last a long time, guys. Vacuuming is important. That's very, very crucial. So, look at that. All right, I'm going to finish up. All right, guys. We already cleaned our upholstery. We got this on a mat, on a tarp, so it can dry, so we can Scotch Guard it. And then it should be dry before we leave. Because the fabric's thin, it usually takes about an hour and a half. So it should be dry. I already did the sectional here. Carver's taken care of. And then once that's dry, they can put it back and all is well. All right, guys. Man, can't wait till the sun comes out. Enjoy that nice pool. Pretty lake. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Who remembers Pac-Man? Come on, somebody. All right, guys. Now we're going to do this sectional. These cushions are attached, but these aren't. So we're going to take care of that. And her issue was, the dog lays right here, makes an indentation, and kind of has some pillage here, so you guys can see. So we're going to shave that off and get that suspended. And favorite spot also is right here, as you can see, which is common. You got to love a fur baby, so we'll get that soil removed, kind of shave off some fuzzies with our shaver, and get it going far and back to original state. All right, guys, we're just taking care of the loose fuzzies. It's a great tip if you guys ever wanted to do that yourself. Kind of makes all that go away. Kind of shaving it off, making it uniform. Then we can get to the soil. So it's it. All right, guys, look at how much I got out of there. See that? So much better. Another tip what we do, guys, we always protect your decking because your decking can get easily stained by water rings and you can't technically clean it. So we always do our due diligence and protect it so it doesn't stain. That's the AO way. AO, let's go. Another tip of the day. All right, guys. Getting this soil suspended. Best way to protect your investment in your furniture is to get it cleaned and protected. Human hair, debris, soil load, all that stuff, getting embedded into your fibers. So we always recommend get it cleaned at least once a year and protect every 2 years so you can enjoy your beautiful furniture. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, just finished up. Look how beautiful this furniture looks, guys. Wow. She loves it. Smells good, looks good. I'm getting ready to wrap up the hoses and then Scotch guard it, and all is well. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and thanks for watching. Scotch guard now, guys. Hey, let's go. Nice. Hey guys, right here, AOcleaning. I'm with my client Marcy in Waterloo, Illinois. And she's got her beautiful pups here. And we took care of 2 sectionals, some carpeting, and some stairs. And guys, she's blown away. And she wants to leave me a testimonial. Without further ado, Marcy, take it away.
Yeah, Ryan did a fantastic job from the get-go. He was very professional, friendly. I love using people in our community. So definitely give him a call if you need any carpet cleaning, flooring. He'll redo hardwoods. He's really friendly, personable, educated, and informative. Highly recommend.